Welcome to the side-by-side options chain demo. Use the side-by-side chain to trade options seamlessly with speed and precision. First, select Trade Options. Then, tap into your chain settings. Switch to the side-by-side option chain. Tap back once to see the updated chain. Scroll across to see your customized metrics. To trade, tap the big column to sell and the X column to buy. Check your strategy's potential P&L. Add contracts to see it shift. Drag and drop contracts to refine your strategy. Then select Continue. Enter the quantity and tap Review. Swipe up to submit. Try it in the app.